Today I'm here to show you a ROM that is known as AOKP for the Micromax Unite 2. So this is the phone right here, you know already that. Okay, so it's in switch off mode, and what I have done is that I have downloaded the zip file and placed it on my SD card. You do the same and reboot it into recovery. I have CTR version 3, so that is the recommended one. Now to reboot into recovery, just switch off your phone, press the volume up button, volume down button and power button at the same time for like 10 seconds, and this should show up. Press the volume up for the recovery mode. So yeah, that's the boot animation that I put, a custom one, so don't worry if you don't get that. So the basic process remains the same to install this ROM, but the thing is that this ROM is one of a kind because it's the AOKP, as I know. Okay, so go to the wipe menu, then go to wipe factory data reset. And for those of you wondering which recovery I'm using, it's the Clarif Touch Recovery version 3 for KitKat, and this is the most recommended one for the ROMs that are of this age. And I'll tell you why I did the factory data reset, because I come from a completely different ROM, and if I don't do it, the thing will crash, and which I don't want it to. Then I'll just go for wipe cache. Wipe cache is done. Wipe double cache, that will be quick. Okay, let's just go back. And we'll go to install zip. Go to choose from SD card. And I'm gonna choose the place where I have put my zip file that I downloaded. You choose yours. I place it in this folder right here, AOKP. I'll put a link to the blog from where I downloaded it in the description with the original credits. So this is the one right there. Oh, sorry. Press no. Click go. Okay, so this is the one right here. See. Okay. Click yes, and it shall start installing. And you can wait a little time for it to install. I recommend you that you do not tamper with the file, and make sure that you download it with a fast internet connection, and for not corrupting the files in the middle of the process. And also don't change the credits if you want to post this on your blog. That's what I'm doing. I'm just making a video of how you can install it. I'll put the link in the description for the original blog from where it is. Thanks. These are the credits, the device, the porter, that's Yas Verma Sony, thanks to him. And the ROM, the website, you can see that's the original one, and the Royal Porting team, which has mainly made it, and others. The credits will be in their own blog, so you can go and hit them up. And yeah, so it generally takes like 1 to 2 minutes in order to install this ROM, but it can take longer depending on many factors. But generally for me it does not take much time, because this is the recommended recovery, and I highly recommend it too, because the ROMs that have been made thinking that the user who's trying to install them will use the recovery such as this. That's CTR version 3. And the CTR version 3 is also an exclusive to the device Micromax Unite 2. So yeah, let's just wait for it to install. And there it is. It says enjoy AOKP, sorry. Consider clicking on ads to support my work. That's on the definitely through the blog, the guy who made this. Okay, so install from SD card complete. Now this ROM is also, I recommend this ROM for one more reason, and that's because the ROM size is around 300 MB, which is general size of ROMs. But what is very exceptional about this ROM is that it comes with Android 6, which is pretty heavy and takes a lot of space, but also it comes with the basic Google apps. So you don't have to go and externally install the Google apps, which is a general problem if you see from the side of users who are new to such kind of things. So yeah, so we don't need to install any other thing because everything is fixed, everything's working very fine. I'll be making a review of this video if this video gets enough likes, and yeah, I achieved my aim of this video. So yeah, let's just reboot the phone. And as many of the tutorials may have already said it to you, that the first reboot to the exact ROM takes around 5 to 6 minutes, or it could take even more. So you might want to be patient. And you already see, oh, the thing is that the boot logo is like a little drastically out of space, so it's not fitted perfectly. It happens in my device. It does not matter that much because you can go ahead and customize it and after it's installed, but generally this boot logo is considered a very good one. AOKP, sorry, I always make that mistake. Anyways, it's gonna take a long time, so I'll be back when it's done. I'll be making I think I'll be making a separate video for the review of this ROM, and yeah, see you in a bit. Okay guys, that took like a good 3 to 6 minutes, I think. And as you will see, it's doing its first boot, so it has to optimize apps. And it already says you can say Google Play services, so yeah, that's a good part, that Google apps are already installed. And that's what I said earlier, that this is also a very recommended ROM out there for this device because Google apps are come in it pre-installed. So you can space a lot of time. A little dirty, no problem. So let it do its work, and we'll be back up in a bit when it's done. Yeah, so guys, it's back and it has done everything. So I'm just gonna initialize it with English language. So it's detecting my sims now. Oh, don't give me Hindi language. Sorry, just a second. Where did English go? Don't worry, that will not happen to you. Just detected my sim and did that, so yeah. Just a second, I'll put the password in here. I'll do that later, but I'll skip it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so guys, here it is. Let's hit start, and damn, you see that? that is what I'm saying. That is known as a wallpaper. My gosh. And that's already it comes. So as you already see, it comes pre-installed with titanium backup, and comes with wiper. It comes with Gerrit, whatever that is. I'm not a professional in these things, alright, so I don't know what that is, but it's definitely something useful. Let's just let it go. So yeah, that is it, and we have two phases of that. Let me just go ahead and quickly, hold on to do that. Let's quickly go to the settings and show you what's going on. Yeah, so it shows as Android 6.0.1, device MMX A106, and everything else is unchanged. Yeah, so that was a quick, not a quick, but that was the installation video of the AOKP ROM onto Micromax Unite 2. As you can see, it looks pretty beautiful on the basis of it, and to you guys, sorry about the sound. To you guys, I say that this is a much recommended ROM for this device. So if you have a Micromax Canvas Unite 2, go ahead and download this ROM, install it, and you can go to the blog of the original creator and porter of this ROM and hit them up, and yeah. So thanks for watching. If you watched this far, hit the like button, because you definitely see this is something rarely found on devices. Okay, yeah, so thanks for watching again. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you liked it, and comment for your problems, and check out the original blog of the original porter and creator of this ROM and hit them up, because they have done a very good work. So thanks for watching again. If you like my videos, and if you want more of Unite 2 videos and other videos on bugs and issues, subscribe to my channel. I'm always open to suggestions to you people, and yeah, see you in the next video, and probably I'm gonna make one for the review of this. So yeah, bye, and have a good day. See you in the next one.